Guys, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we just want to take this time to explain to you how the process of connecting your phone to a PC using Xender works. So it's just like an overview for you to understand fully the process, so that on our next videos, while using this process, we can just keep the connection part and go straight to the point with the video. So here on phone, there are various methods to do it, but on PC there's just one method to do it. So on phone, there are various ways to on your hotspot. You can just slide down on the notifications, and normally this hotspot is not activated. You have to click on it to activate it. So you have to click on this to activate your hotspot. Normally with your hotspot, after activating on PC, you should be able to see the hotspot. Here my own hotspot is pcdrills net. It has automatically connected since I've been connected to it several times already. But for you, if it's your first time, I'll have to explain to you how you will know the password for this network, how you can modify this name and put your own name. So on phone, to be able to edit the hotspot settings, if I don't yet know them, I will have to go to the settings of my own phone. So you will have to do same if you wish to edit them. I go to settings and I go to network and internet. Once on network and internet, I will have to go to hotspot, and this is the option. I click on hotspot. Then here I will have to select Wi-Fi hotspot. If you are setting up Bluetooth, setting up USB tethering, it's the same place you have to go, hotspot and tethering. So this USB tethering simply means you want to share your phone's internet to your PC using the USB cable. This Bluetooth tethering means you're sharing via Bluetooth, and this Wi-Fi hotspot is what we are focused on today. So you just have to click on Wi-Fi hotspot, and then you can come to set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and you click on this. You can edit the name. Here you have the name. You can edit it if you want. So if normally this name here, for you who have not edited it, will be the name of your own phone. So you just have to edit it and put what you want. For the password, there's going to be a default password here. Normally it's one long random set of digits and letters. So you can edit it. If it's not showing, you click on show password. For security reasons, I will not show mine, but for you, you need to click on show password, and when you are through editing it, you click on save. So what you have to edit here is just the name and the password. For the security stuff, if you want to allow it to be open to anyone, you take none. If you want it not to be open, you choose the second one, WPA2PSK. When you are done editing, you save it, and when you save, you can now come here and then you enable your hotspot. And you enable your hotspot, you go to your PC, you click on Wi-Fi networks. On your Wi-Fi networks, you have to click on the particular one you set up, and then you click the connect button and you put the password, and that's just all. When it gets connected, now we can continue to our main purpose, which is the part of the Xender application. So to do that, you need to go to where Xender is stored on our phone. So we just open the application, and once in the Xender application, we can just go to this top menu here, which is having these 4 lines. You also have to click on it, and we click on connect to PC. When you click on connect to PC, you get the steps for how to connect. So if you don't click here, first of all, even if you know the link offhand and use it on your browser, it won't work. So you have to first click on connect to PC and then you follow these steps. Once on this menu like this, you just have to use this link on your browser. So you just have to type this link and then you search it as if you were doing a request on the web. So you just have to search it like this. So even if you know the link, for example, it's here, I know the link. If I'm not inside this menu that was asking me to use the link, if I search here, it won't work. So that's a tip to keep in mind. If you search without being inside that particular page, it won't work. So that's a tip for someone who watched through very well during the video. So always keep that in mind. If your connection isn't working, that's probably the reason. So what you have to do now is click connect to PC and then you search the link again. Now it will work because I'm on the page. You just have to click on accept and then I click OK here and I confirm on the PC. That's all. That's how simple it can be. So guys, that's all for this video. If you wish to proceed, then you can proceed with what you wanted to do after connecting. But this video was just to show you how you can connect. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye for now. I wish that you have any suggestions for us to be kept at the comment section. See you on our next video. Bye.